헛소리 또 매직해. Nee, ik weet het.
I'm probably sick because I went to a movie theater. Yeah, I canceled on Saturday after that. I haven't talked to it like 2 days. And the nose is stuffed again.
I just want to get it all done and cleaned, but I'm just finding it hard to breathe. Like, it's just so stuffy and so much dust, and I am allergic to dust, but
One tissue. Ew. Ew, I'm starting to feel air. 3. And I'm just gonna stop there, even though there's probably more, because I'm trying to conserve tissues, because when I run out of this, I either have to go buy more, which is like a walk. Okay, I'm back. There were tissues in the kitchen. Isn't that kind of unsanitary? How was that nose blow? Blows your nose, people? Were you attracted to me because I just blew my nose? Alright. Enjoy your snow days!